Namaskar friends, I am Rupesh Kumar, your financial advisor, and today want to talk about a crucial topic, your income protection. We all work hard for our families and children, but what if a sudden illness, accident, job loss, or business failure disturbs your income? Will your families be financially secure? Will your children's education and household expenses continue smoothly? This is why income protection plan is essential. It safeguards your income, protect your families from financial crisis, and ensure a stable income every after retirement. Now, the important